President Trump looks to be turning to new allies to pass a healthcare bill after Senate Republicans failed yet again to pass a bill to repeal and replace Obamacare last week. "I called Chuck Schumer yesterday to see if the Dems want to do a great healthcare bill," Trump tweeted Saturday morning. "Obamacare is badly broken, big premiums. Who knows? I called Chuck Schumer yesterday to see if the Dems want to do a great healthcare bill. Obamacare is badly broken, big premiums. Who knows?" Donald J. Trump at Real Donald Trump October 7, 2017. Trump has been friendlier with Schumer, the Senate Minority Leader, as well as House Minority Leader Nancy Pelosi, in recent weeks. Last month, the trio struck a deal on a short-term debt limit increase. Pelosi and Schumer also said they struck a deal with Trump to replace the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, though Trump has gone back and forth on whether he made a deal on DACA with Democrats. Schumer responded to Trump's tweet in a statement Saturday morning, confirming that he had spoken with the president about a healthcare deal. And Democrats are beginning to fall into the same trap. "The president wanted to make another run at repeal and replace, and I told him that's off the table," Schumer said. "If he wants to work together to improve the existing healthcare system, we Democrats are open to his suggestions. A good place to start might be the Alexander Murray negotiations that would stabilize the system and lower costs." Sent Schumer on his call with press. Trump re-healthcare yesterday. Pic.twitter.com for ABF1NEBKK, Phil Mattingly at Phil Mattingly October 7, 2017. The Alexander Murray negotiations Schumer refers to are ongoing attempts by Senate Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Committee Chairman Senator Lamar Alexander RTN and Ranking Member Senator Patty Murray-Dwa. The negotiations were put on hold when the Graham-Cassidy bill to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act picked up speed in late September, but Republicans have conceded that they do not have the votes to pass the bill. Graham-Cassidy would have blocked granted healthcare funding to the states, made drastic cuts to Medicaid, and could have left more than 32 million people uninsured over the next decade. A number of outside analyses say the repeal bill would have grim results. In the days since Senate leadership announced the bill would not go to a vote, Schumer and others have said a bipartisan deal on the Alexander Murray negotiations could be forthcoming. "Maybe by the end of next week, we will go and hand a piece of legislation to Senator McConnell and Senator Schumer," Alexander said last Thursday. "And leadership appears to be open to the idea. We've tried it the other way a couple of times," Majority Whip Senator John Cornyn RTX has said of the party's failure to pass healthcare legislation. "So we need to try to see if we can come up with a bipartisan agreement. It's obviously been very hard." Although details about what the bill would include are not yet clear, Democrats have said the deal would include funding for Obamacare subsidies, which the White House has repeatedly threatened not to pay, and provide states with some measure of flexibility to change Obamacare requirements. Before negotiations broke off, Politico reports there was a tentative agreement on 2 years of funding.